Away, ama-Palestinians alendile South Africa. I don't understand ukuthi umuntu omnyama ngahlula ukusebenzisa ingqondo kangaka. This is a distraction. Yazi sanibonani, ngiyaxolisa ukuthetha, ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. Lalela mntu omnyama, this is a distraction. Khona into abayenzayo and abafuni ubone. Right now, the whole of the black community yase-South Africa, abantu abamnyama are being distracted because focused la. However, ama-Palestinians have landed, Israel is coming. Angahle. Learn to see a distraction so you actually know ukuthi kwenzekalani. Listen to me mntu omnyama, yeka ukufocusa kwinto wrong and focus kwinto ebalekile. Ngomhla ka-20 to umhla ka-23 kuzobe kune-meeting enkulu. This month la eSouth Africa izobe ihostwe yithina and it might be the biggest thing abazama ukuyifihla njengamanje. This is what mina nawe mntu omnyama we should be focusing on. I-G20 summit ezokwenzeka la eSouth Africa ngomhla ka-22 to umhla ka-23. Omunye umuntu uzobuza ukuthi mina ngihlangana nalento lena awukahle mntu omnyama. Understand ukuthi ama-minerals, ama-ports, i-energy kanye ne-lithium le etholakale la eSouth Africa are at risk because isitha knows ukuthi Africa is the future and ibona bafuna its minerals, its land and its trade routes. Therefore, the government created into ekuthiwa the strategic access window. Iso la khona they gave isitha a 12 months period yokuthi bona they can bid for i-development le ezokwenzeka la eSouth Africa. Hayi ukuthi sibapha ownership, no, sibapha ama-right to certain areas la eSouth Africa anomnotho. Yazi mntu omnyama, you don't understand. Akekho umuntu ongasuka ePalestine le ahambe adlule iDubai, adlule wonke lamazwe eze la by mistake. Ayikho into enjalo. It is all a distraction ukwenza wena unganaki ukuthi 12 months ago amazwe were bidding for ama-minerals akho and whilst wena uzofocusa kulabantu abasuka le beze la by mistake, they are taking everything you own. I-China they offered 42.7 billion for early access to develop a new mineral zone eLimpopo focusing on chrome ne-rare earth minerals ala eSouth Africa. Okay, iBrazil proposed to 8.3 billion. Uthi nje wona ufuna uco-developer a coastal agro-exports. Bafuna upiece omncane of everything agriculture exportwayo esuka eKwaZulu-Natal yele emazweni. Everything. I-United Arab Emirates ithi yona izofaka u-16.9 billion for a long-term renewable energy partnership ne-South Africa. All they want is iland yase-Northern Cape. I-India ithi nje ifuna ukusinika into encane, izosinika u-11.4 billion just nje ukuthi bona benze a pharmaceutical manufacturing zone eKwaZulu-Natal. What does that mean? That means ukuthi bona bafuna sibaphe indawo la khona bezogaya khona imishanguzo and resell leyo mishanguzo to the rest of South Africa. I-European Union ithi yona izosinika u-32 billion. All they want i-Arab zenkosi is to expand i-Saldanha Bay industry zone for green hydrogen shipping. Kusho ukuthi whatever area that they decide to expand, they will control and they will be the ones who profit from anything that gets exported or imported into South Africa. Buya, there's more, there's always more. Understand ukuthi South Africa will receive a hosting dividend bonus. Lokho kusho ukuthi if ama-investors bafaka imali izidlule 150 billion, i-South Africa will receive i-bonus engango-12.5 billion just for ukuhosta i-G20. Hlakanipha-ke mntomnyama and understand ukuthi angivele ngavuka ekuseni ngenza ividiyo. I'm trying to show you ukuthi kuko konke okwenzekalayo, all the noise that is going on, bazama ukufihla lo. Ngoba thina kahle kahle la sikhona. Sila. Yezwa mntomnyama. And they will do anything to distract wena from the truth. From knowing ukuthi no. Ngomhla ka-22 nangomhla ka-23 sizobe sise-Joburg and sonke si-focused la. Ngiyayiphinda lento because ngifuna ingene la mntomnyama. Right now you are focusing on the wrong thing. Unaka ama-Palestine afike OR Tambo, unake into eyiphephuli, sila la sikhona. There's gonna be a meeting yama-elites and they will be discussing i-future yezwe lakho. Busy bayahleplelana ama-pieces because all roads are leading to 2030. La khona kuzobe sekudividwa umnotho again, beresetha umhlaba. Understand ukuthi kwi-G20 sizobe sine-Australia, i-Argentina, i-Turkey, i-Japan, i-Canada, siphinde sibe ne-Germany, i-Brazil, i-UK, phinde kube i-France, kube i-Italy, maningi, i-India, Indonesia, i-China, i-Mexico, i-Russia, i-EU, i-South Korea, ne-USA, kuningi, and they all want a piece of us. Lalela-ke mntomnyama, listen to me very carefully. I-Japan ibona asebebhide the most amount of money, bathi bona bazosifakela u-44.2 billion and bona bafuna into encane nje. Bathi bona bafuna exclusive development rights to South Africa's upcoming lithium manufacturing. Bafuna i-lithium and okwamanje basafuna le lithium esemzumbe. Yezwa, asikakayibale le lithium le etholakala eLamonti, asikakayibale le lithium etholakala eClearwood, basafuna le eyasemzumbe. Yes, that means ukuthi as of 2025 October, imali esithenjiswe yona is sitting at 155.4 billion. Yes, plus lo 12.5 billion oil bonus for hosting i-G20. ISITA will make sure ukuthi they hide this from us. They will flood us with the information engekho, making sure ukuthi asuphazamisa umsebenzi. Hear my words. Njengamanje i-media will flood you with i-drama, ama-challenge, ama-trends to make sure that you forget, to make sure that you do not see the truth. So umntomnyama will protest about ama-Palestine agcwele South Africa. Umntomnyama will protest about izinto engenasidingo, forgetting ukuthi right now busy bayahleplelana every piece of umhlaba.